In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of a video we made to promote a vegan Thanksgiving dinner package. We're going to start by taking a look at the finished promo video.
Hello everyone. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Motherland Kitchen is bringing you tastes of Africa to your Thanksgiving table with some delicious vegan options that everyone will enjoy. We are going to start with fufu. And what is fufu? Fufu is a dumpling that most vegans enjoy because it helps them to fill up. And the first fufu that I'm going to present to you is fonio fufu. So this fufu is made from the fonio flour, and fonio grows in Sahel, Africa. Fonio is a type of millet. The second fufu is millet fufu. This one is the millet that grows locally in the United States. So we make fufu out of it. The third is blue corn fufu. So blue corn fufu. And why did I choose these three? I chose them out of the 10 different fufus that we offer at Motherland Kitchen because of their nutritive value. But feel free to call us and customize your Thanksgiving dinner based on the other fufus that we have on the menu. And the question is, what do we eat fufu with? I am going to show you the different sauces that would be in the sampler that you can use to eat fufu. Fufu needs a dip or a sauce that you can use to eat it with, because fufu is basically a dumpling. And I have 3 different sauces, vegan sauces here, that go very well with any of the fufus that I presented to you. This is eggplant and zucchini stew. So this stew, you can eat it with your fufu. Or those who love their greens, this is our 3 greens because we do a melange of collard greens, turnip greens, and spinach. So, and if you don't eat any of those 3 greens, please feel free to ask for our watercress stew. That too would go very well with fufu. This is our stewed cabbage. So stewed cabbage would go very well with your fufu as well. And if you don't like any of these, if you are one of the okra lovers, please ask us for the okra stew and we'll customize your Thanksgiving dinner with fufu and okra stew as your choices. Now, there are other dishes that you may want to add to your Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to show you some other dishes that we have made, vegan tasty dishes. Vegans love mushrooms. So at Motherland, we have 3 different dishes that we make using mushrooms. But I'm showing you what we call our cocoa mushroom stew. So this stew has no tomatoes. There are some people who don't eat tomatoes, so this is a good choice for you. It is based on the green herbs. But if you do eat tomatoes, call us and maybe choose the oyster mushroom peanut butter stew, which has put both tomatoes and peanuts. Because peanuts are an allergen. Some people don't do peanuts, but if you do, we also have the oyster mushroom peanut stew that you can use with your fufu. This is cocky corn. Cocky corn is a sweet dish. So this is sweet corn with some spinach and onions and a little bit of palm oil and seasonings and steamed cooked. So this is a sweet dish that you could add to your Thanksgiving table. Now, some people also like to eat rice. So let's talk about some rice choices that are available for you to add to your Thanksgiving table. So for rice eaters, those who love rice, particularly, this is vegan jollof rice. So those who love rice can also add some jollof rice to their Thanksgiving table. And our famous red beans and rice at Motherland Kitchen, you can also add red beans and rice to your Thanksgiving table. These are all vegan. Now, those who don't eat rice have an alternative. This is a delicious plate of riced cauliflower. See how colorful it is? It is as tasty as it is colorful. This is cauliflower with some bell peppers, some onions, some leeks, and also some sweet potatoes. This combination is mouth-watering. So you can do the traditional rice dishes, the jollof rice or the red beans and rice, or you can do the riced cauliflower pilaf to add to your Thanksgiving table. So call us and customize your platter for your Thanksgiving and enjoy. And remember, what we offer is not only for vegans and vegetarians, it's for everybody. Because those who eat turkey would definitely want to add some greens, some cabbage, some okra, or some rice with their Thanksgiving dinner. Happy Thanksgiving as you celebrate. Thank you from all of us at Motherland Kitchen.
That video almost didn't happen. When I asked Sabina what she was going to offer for Thanksgiving, she told me she was going to sell turkeys just like everybody else. I asked her why in the world would she do that when she's such an advocate for vegans and always telling people that they have to offer vegans more than just salads and side dishes. Sabina's Motherland Kitchen restaurant even won the voters' favorite menu in a vegan chef challenge. So she has no business offering turkeys for Thanksgiving just like everybody else when she's capable of offering something so much better. I told her to put together a vegan Thanksgiving sampler and we'll offer it as a Thanksgiving dinner package and make a video to promote it. Lots of people do not find a dead bird on the table appealing. What are you doing to show up for those people, Chef? Thanksgiving is your time to show up and show out. Vegan chefs, y'all need to wake up and get out here and help some people by using your voice and promoting vegan options for Thanksgiving. In the last 2 weeks, I've talked to 2 vegan chefs who it didn't even occur to them to offer a vegan Thanksgiving dinner package until I told them to do it. I'm not even vegan. If I'm thinking about the vegans for Thanksgiving, how are you not thinking about the vegans? Thanksgiving is the biggest food holiday of the year, y'all. If you're an advocate for plant-based eating, you're supposed to have a marketing campaign leading up to Thanksgiving and have a Thanksgiving dinner package that helps people see how good plant-based meals can be. During Thanksgiving season, everybody is thinking about and talking about food, and as a chef, you're supposed to be leading that discussion and educating people. So as I always say, get to work. If you need help, use the link below to join my Cooking Show Accelerator community, where we definitely teach you how to show up and show out and lead the dialogue on food.